Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering emotional intelligence in just 1 week. Let's see how much I can improve. Emotional intelligence is a game changer in our everyday lives. It's about being aware of and understanding our emotions, and using that awareness to guide our thoughts and actions. Mastering emotional intelligence can help us navigate life's challenges with more ease, build stronger relationships, and make better decisions. By developing this skill, we can unlock our full potential and live a more authentic, empathetic, and fulfilling life. Low emotional intelligence can lead to some tough challenges. For instance, have you ever struggled to express yourself effectively in a conversation, only to feel frustrated and misunderstood? That's a common experience for many people. When we lack emotional intelligence, we might have trouble managing our emotions, leading to stress, anxiety, and burnout. This can also affect our relationships, causing conflicts and feelings of isolation. Difficulty in communication is another major issue. When we're not aware of our emotions, we might say things we regret or struggle to articulate our needs clearly. This can lead to misunderstandings and conflict. Moreover, without emotional intelligence, we might find it hard to empathize with others, making it tough to build strong, meaningful connections. Stress management is also a big concern. When we're not equipped to handle our emotions, stress can quickly become overwhelming. We might feel like we're constantly reacting to situations without being able to control our responses. This can lead to feelings of exhaustion and hopelessness. Furthermore, low emotional intelligence can affect our self-awareness, making it difficult for us to recognize our emotional triggers and patterns. By understanding these challenges, we can take the first step towards developing our emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is made up of 5 key components. The first is self-awareness, which is about understanding our emotions and how they impact our behavior. Self-regulation is the ability to control our emotions and impulses, allowing us to respond to situations more thoughtfully. Motivation is what drives us to achieve our goals and pursue our passions. Empathy is the capacity to understand and connect with others on an emotional level. Lastly, social skills enable us to communicate effectively and build strong relationships. Improving emotional intelligence can lead to some amazing transformations. For example, by developing self-awareness, we can better understand our emotional triggers and learn to manage them. This can lead to more authentic relationships, improved communication, and a greater sense of fulfillment. By cultivating empathy, we can build stronger connections with others and become more compassionate people. In my own journey, I've found that developing emotional intelligence has been a total game changer. I've become more aware of my emotions and more thoughtful in my responses. I've also seen improvements in my relationships and overall well-being. By sharing my experiences and insights, I hope to inspire you to start your own journey towards emotional intelligence mastery. To wrap things up, developing emotional intelligence is a journey worth taking. By understanding its importance, recognizing the challenges of low emotional intelligence, and cultivating its key components, we can unlock a more fulfilling, empathetic life. So, take the first step today and start exploring the world of emotional intelligence. If you have any thoughts on emotional intelligence or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on self-improvement, and let's continue to grow and learn together.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.